Solitude is so inviting when your heart is torn in two. Once more I can walk in the silence as the darkness comes in view, standing here in its shadow. I know you feel alone, but you could trust me. Oh, I won't let you face it on your own. So don't pull away, I'll be here for you. Don't pull away, together we can make it through. I'm faithful and your friend, no matter what, I'm gonna stay close by you to the end. Don't pull away. Well, I care so much about you, I'll remind you constantly. So I've started thinking of you, everything's so much clearer. Just as can't deny what I believe. Can you take the heartache? He has brought you here. I'm so afraid to see the light. There is nothing left to